What's up guys, and welcome to the 45th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial it's all about new, delete and dynamic arrays. In the last two tutorials we looked at the new and delete operators, then we moved on to new and delete with arrays. Now it's new, delete and dynamic arrays. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go right to the top and type in include. So we are putting in another library. Include cstd lib, yes, close it off, and then say int main, and now ask for a user input. So std cout, enter the array size, close that off. Also declare the size, so int size, that's declared. Next line will be stdcin and then size. Okay, then we can now say int star array equals new int, and then the size. This allocates an array. Close that off. Now we can have a for loop. So for initialization will be int I equals 0. The condition will be I is less than the size. And then we increment I++. We can remove this if we need to, so we remove this, remove that. And the statement will be array I in square brackets equals std colon rand parentheses, and now move on to the next line. So we can say for, again another for loop, initialization will be int I equals 0. The condition will be I is less than the size again. And then we increment again. Within the statement we can say std cout, put that on a new line, and then array, and then your square brackets, and then inside that is I. Close that off. And we need to remove this because that's there for no reason. And then we can say delete square brackets and then array, close that off. And hopefully this should compile. So when we run the program, it should say enter the array size, and if we put in 5 it gives us 5 numbers. But before we compile this, let's just run through the actual program and see what's actually happening. So we have a program to demonstrate new, delete and dynamic arrays. Right at the top it says enter the array size, and then once we put in the size you get the array size from here. Int star array equals new size, allocate an array, where it says the for loop, load the array with random numbers, and right at the bottom this just displays the whole array. And then where it says delete square bracket array, return the array to the heap. So let's just run this and see what we get. Okay, build succeeded. Enter the array size. So if I just put in 5, we should now get 5 numbers. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.